In the rainforests of Papua, a stage is set, and one of nature's most elegant performers is ready to dance, the Western Parotia. This male bird carefully cleans his dance floor, removing every leaf and twig. When a female arrives, the show begins. He spreads his shimmering black feathers, swings his head plumes, and starts an amazing dance, spinning, bouncing, and waving his wings like a ballet dancer. Every movement is perfect timing, a combination of beauty and instinct. Only the most skillful dancers are chosen. This is the world of the Western Parotia, where love is won through rhythm, grace, and the art of dance.